Read again. Write T for true or F for false. Sultan was from Norail. True. Sultan's family were rich. False. Sultan went to school for 4 years. False. Sultan died in Joshua at a hospital. True. Only people in Bangladesh know about Sultan. False. Sultan set up a school for adults in Norail. False. Write the false sentences correctly in your exercise book. Sultan's family did not have a lot of money. Sultan went to school for 5 years. People around the world know about Sultan. Sultan set up a school for children in Norail. Read again. Choose the correct answer. When was Sultan born? In 1923. What did Sultan do after he left school? He went to work with his father. How long did Sultan stay at college? For 3 years. Where is the Sultan Mela held? Norail. Pair work. Check your answers of activity D with a partner. Answer the questions. When and where SM Sultan was born? SM Sultan was born in Norail in 1923. Where did he want to study? He wanted to study at Kolkata Art College. What did he paint while traveling around Asia and Europe? While traveling around Asia and Europe, he painted rivers, trees, villages, and village people. What did he paint about Bangladesh? He painted pictures of the farmers and fishermen of Bangladesh. What happens in Norail every year? Every year there is a Sultan Mela in Norail. Dictation. Write the sentences in your exercise book that your teacher dictates.
SM Sultan was an artist from Bangladesh. He was a great painter. People in other countries know his paintings.